It's Kevin, and I will cover about the brain part, and Pranav will also continue. So let's start. The main technique used throughout this paper is fMRI to measure the BOLD response, and the BOLD is the abbreviation of blood oxygen level dependent. So it measures through the change in oxygen level consumption when the neurons are processing. So the focus region is ventral striatum, amygdala, and ACC. So the last two parts will be covered by Pranav. And the goal here is how the brain processes the social and economic information from human and the chimpanzees, that is non-human. So the key brain results, let's start from when there's only social information are present. That is means they cannot receive any stock information or economic information here. So from the first graph, when they are showing a picture that all agree on buying something, the buy decision increased dramatically here. So let's also view the ventral striatum activation that is much more activated when they see all people are buying something than the neutral and no information and the negative part. So the ventral striatum is greatly activated when the participants receive positive herd information. The next one is when only stock information and the economic information are present. That is means when participant cannot see the social information. So let's start from the high mean preferring participant. They show a higher striatal activation when they view high mean stocks. That is on the right here. So the high mean preference participant shows a greater activation when they view high mean stocks than they view low mean stocks here. It's deactivated. Also vice versa for the low mean preferring participant, they show a high activation when they view the low mean stocks. So let's see how the herd information can affect the individual decisions. So on the left, we can see the ventral striatum encodes social recommendations more strongly than those of the non-human. That is here. We can see the ventral striatum is more activated when they are in the human part, even when they see the non-information, the NS part, and neutral and negative part. However, it's deactivated when they view the chimpanzees. That is here on the right. Then the more striatum activates when they see the herd, the more socially influenced the person behaves. That is here. On the y-axis, that is how the ventral striatum activates, and the x-axis is how the herding sensitivity here. We can see when people are more activated, they show a high herding sensitivity here, so it's positively correlated. This suggests that the ventral striatum treats social conformity as a reward, just like receiving a monetary gain, right? And the last one is how the BOLD signal increases between second 3 and second 7. That is because, as I just said, it's measured the BOLD. That means it's measured indirectly, so there's kind of a delay here, small delay. So when we view that it's more activated when they see the human information, that is +4 and -4, right? All agree on buying something and all agree on not buying something. It's activated. But for the non-human, that is the chimpanzees, we see that it's deactivated. So the BOLD signal increases when the participant view the human social cues, then they view the chimpanzees non-human cues. So this will be Pranav.